Hello guys, I'm Himanshu from Himalayan High and we are happy to help and support the entire trekking community. Today, let's discuss about the requirements and proper use of a rucksack for trekking. Guys, let me tell you that rucksack is not a simple bag, but it is a very important piece of equipment which solves many problems for you and makes your trek much easier. Now, this is a basic rucksack which has one large main compartment, and this main compartment can be accessed and loaded from both top and bottom here. This has one top pocket here with zip, two side pockets with zip, and two more side pockets which are open, and a rain cover at the bottom here to protect your bag. Now, when you're packing your rucksack for your trek, you should keep several points in your mind. First and most important point is load distribution inside your rucksack. The most heavy but small objects should be kept in the middle of your bag so the weight remains at the center here. Heavier and larger objects like your sleeping bag should be kept at the bottom here, and lightweight and fluffy items should be at the top. Second most important point while packing your rucksack is the accessibility of items. Something you may need while walking should be most accessible in your rucksack. For example, your water bottle, a poncho or rainproof jacket. Something you may need immediately after reaching the camp should also be accessible. For example, an extra t-shirt or a warm jacket, and that should also be kept either at the bottom because it can be easily accessed from here, or at the top. Third important point to keep in mind while packing your rucksack is the type of items you're packing in the bag. For example, your sunglasses which are fragile, or some electronic gadgets which should always be kept in the top pocket here so they don't get damaged. Now, when you're carrying your rucksack, it should not hang away from your body. It should be tight and close to your back. There is this small chest strap to keep the main shoulder straps in place, and a waist strap to reduce the load from your shoulders. So guys, now you can easily understand that a normal backpack does not have so many features to fulfill all the requirements for a trekking rucksack. That's why it is very important to use a proper rucksack while trekking. Again, I'm Himanshu, this is my colleague Praveen from Team Himalayan High. Keep trekking and be safe.